Hello, this is Ebonygeek. You're always welcome to join me in expanding your knowledge base. Comments are always welcome, and please subscribe. Right now, what we're doing is we're working on our LEDs. I wired up a simple circuit here, which is simply positive and negative with a resistor pulling down ground. The reason why I did that is I wanted to show you a little trick. Say you have one of these LEDs. This LED is the same one that's on this side. Okay? But you want the same kind of LED that's on this side. Some say that the light is spread out better. And it's a better light. Some say it's not really worth the time to get it there. Now what I mean by that is it's the same LED, but how you do that is you either buy it in a pack that's frosted LEDs, or you use your same clear LEDs and a piece of sandpaper. You just go all around it and sand it down until it's frosted like the LED that's here. So you might want to think about that before you start. I'm not going to frost it by sanding all around and on the top of the LED. But that's a little hint for you. What we're going to do now is I'm going to unhook this. And notice I did use resistors. You want to use resistors to save your LEDs. If I hadn't used the resistor, these LEDs would have got hot. The problem with resistors though is a lot of times it limit the brightness of your LEDs, but it also keep your LEDs from burning out. You could either use your breadboard like I have it wired here. This is the ground, the purple. A resistor is pulling it down to the ground of the LED. And this is your 5 volt. And that's going to the positive of the LED. Simply checking to make sure that the LEDs work. And you could do that with all 64 LEDs, because 8 times 8 is 64. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Uno. It's underneath this proto board right there. And I'm going to just simply run it down the way I normally do. There's 2 rails down the middle of this proto board. This one is 5 volt, this one is ground. Makes it very simple for testing your LEDs. Just hold it with the positive there and the negative there, and you just test it. Sometimes your LED legs is a little too close together though, so just pull it away gently. And it lit up. Let's see. Lights up. That one's working. On to the next one. That one's working. On to the next one. That one's working. And we're going to do it for all 64 LEDs. I am Ebonygeek, and I hope that the information provided has been helpful to you. Please remember to subscribe. Happy building and happy coding.